Hello everyone, myself Ghulam Rafat Khan. I am a fitness trainer. I am from House of Champion Gym in Banjara Hills, road number 12. So I am starting today for home workouts for you. So now we are start shoulder workout for double and dumbbell for shoulder press. Okay. Focus on your balls, shoulder balls. This is also same 3 sets with 15 to 12 reps. This one also same 3 sets, 15 to 12 reps. So next workout for shoulders, side lateral raise with dumbbells. Sit, body straight. Now up, slowly down. Up and slowly down. Up and slowly down. When you come up, squeeze your balls, shoulder balls, and slowly down. Good. Up. It's also same 3 sets with 15 to 12 reps. Every set after one set completed, take 30 to 40 seconds rest. Now done. So now second variation for side lateral raise. For delt, slow up, slow down, slow up, slow down. When you come up, squeeze your balls. This is also same 3 sets with 15 to 12 reps. So every set you have to take rest 30 to 40 seconds. Okay. So now we start bicep workout. So alternate dumbbell. When you come up, squeeze your ball. Squeeze your ball. Slow up, slow down. Slow up, slow down. This one also same 3 sets with 15 to 20 reps. Now second variation for biceps is called double and hammer press, hammer double. Slowly up, slowly down, slowly up, slowly down. You have to close your elbows also with your body. Slow up, slow down. This one also same 3 sets with 12 to 15 reps. So this is also biceps for long length. Okay. When you come up, squeeze your bicep, focus it. Okay. So we can do next workout for triceps. It's for last variation. Okay. If you want any guidance, any diet also, you can DM me. My ID is Ghulam Rafat Khan. id@gmail.com. You can message me. You can DM me. I'll help you for every time, every day for NTV. For next variation, single hand dumbbell for again tricep workout. Okay, hands up, slow down, then up. This one also you have to make sure elbow should be close. Some people also doing like this. This is the wrong way. Okay, fix your elbow, then slowly down, then up. Slow down, then up. So each hand 3 sets with 15 reps. Okay, 15 to 12 reps each hand. Then after that change. Same variation. Face up, chest tight, elbow should be close. Slowly down, slowly up. Feel your tricep. Feel your tricep. Okay. This is called double hand dumbbell for overextension. Okay. Hands up, elbow should be close. Slow down, then up. Slow down, then up. Slow down, then up. Slow down, then up. When you go down, feel your tricep. Slowly up, slowly down. This one also same 3 sets with 15 to 20 reps. Okay. Now last variation for legs workout. Then after that, overall body for home workout is completed. So now we start legs workout for free squat. This is called free squat for beginners, for intermediate. Everyone can do this one. Okay, for home workout. So first you have to fix your legs in shoulder level, then slowly down, then up, then slowly down, then up. Some people are doing this, knee should be in front side. This is wrong way. Make sure your knee should be down like this, like this. This one also same with 3 sets, 15 to 20 reps in each set. Now this one also for beginners. You can't do for free squats without support. You can do this. Make sure your body should be up, face up, and slowly down. And focus on your quads. So this one also same 3 sets with 15 to 20 reps. And so this is a full body workout for home workout. So you can do your home in every day.